You are looking at two air conditioners that seem completely different on paper. But picking the wrong one could mean overpaying by thousands for technology your home cannot even use. One of these units hides a major manufacturer's secret that completely changes its real-world value. The other locks you into a strict installation requirement you might not see coming. Let us look at exactly what happens when you pit these two systems against each other so you do not make an expensive mistake. Hey everyone, HVAC repair guy here. Before I started consulting and contracting, I spent over 17 years in the field as a service technician and installer. I also served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I have worked on everything from advanced military systems to basic residential split units. I look at these machines from a pure field survival perspective, not a sales brochure. Today, we are doing a direct real-world teardown between the AireForce FSA4BF and the Russell SA16AY. On the surface, this looks like a classic matchup between an everyday premium tier unit and an ultra-efficient powerhouse. The AireForce FSA4BF has a 15.2 SEER efficiency rating. It hits that efficiency by utilizing a 2-speed condenser fan and a 2-speed compressor, allowing it to drop into a lower stage when the weather is mild. It also comes equipped with a premium compressor blanket to keep things quiet, dropping operational noise down to 71 decibels. The Russell SA16AY shifts the field entirely, boasting a higher 16 SEER efficiency rating. This Russell model features a 2-stage compressor built right in, giving you the benefit of advanced staging. However, it runs a hair louder at 72 decibels and skips the factory compressor blanket. The AireForce unit features heavy-duty louvered panels that provide complete wraparound physical protection for the coil. The Russell unit uses a basic wire grille design, leaving the aluminum cooling fins much more exposed. AireForce is manufactured by Nortek Global HVAC, while Russell is manufactured by Rheem. Here is the big industry secret. Rheem purchased Nortek Global HVAC, so both brands now sit under the same corporate parent. This manufacturer DNA drives the warranty and installation rules. Both units carry a standard 10-year warranty on parts and a 10-year warranty on the compressor. The Russell SA16AY offers a 10-year unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails in the first decade. However, the Russell unit has a strict dealer requirement, meaning the warranty is only valid if purchased and installed through an authorized professional dealer network. Looking at real-world pricing, a clear value gap appears. The AireForce outdoor unit typically runs between $2,500 and $3,800. The Russell holds an economical market range between $1,800 and $2,800. In practical terms, the Russell unit gives superior energy efficiency at a lower upfront cost. The AireForce unit gives up a little efficiency, but its bulletproof louvered cabinet is far better protected if you have kids or a careless lawn crew. If I am standing in your backyard advising you where to spend your money, the final verdict goes to the Russell SA16AY. While AireForce has better cabinet protection, the Russell delivers 16 SEER 2-stage performance, a 10-year unit replacement guarantee, and a lower price point. Getting 2-stage performance and a full unit replacement warranty at a budget-friendly price makes the Russell SA16AY the smarter investment for the average homeowner.